Have you ever tried to download query results from pgAdmin 4 only to hit a wall? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need that data in a CSV format. If you're facing issues with the download button or opening the CSV file, you're in the right place. Let's tackle these problems together. I totally get it. The download a CSV button not working, especially with large data sets, can feel like a major roadblock. And that error message when you try to open the CSV, it's enough to make anyone want to pull their hair out. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Let's dive into the specific issues you're facing. One user recently asked, why doesn't the download as CSV button work sometimes, especially with results containing over 1,000 rows? They also mentioned encountering an error message when trying to open the CSV file. Sound familiar? Let's explore these challenges together. So, what could be causing these issues? The download button might struggle with large data sets due to performance limitations in pgAdmin 4. As for the error message, it often relates to encoding problems when the CSV file contains special characters. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I've got a handy tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. You won't want to miss it. To address the first issue with the download as CSV button not working for large result sets, the user can try reducing the number of rows returned by the query. This can be done by adding a limit to the query. If the user still encounters issues, they can export the results in smaller batches. This means running the query multiple times with different conditions to get smaller subsets of data. Now, let's tackle the second problem regarding the encoding error when opening the CSV file. The user should ensure that the CSV is saved with UTF-8 encoding to avoid character issues. If the user continues to see encoding errors, they can open the CSV file in a text editor that supports different encodings. This allows them to convert the file to UTF-8 if needed. By following these steps, the user should be able to successfully download their query results as a CSV file and avoid any encoding issues when opening it. Fun fact, did you know that CSV stands for comma-separated values? It's a simple format, but it can lead to complex issues when special characters are involved. Who knew something so basic could be so tricky? Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that the CSV download issue is a known bug fixed in pgAdmin version 1.5. They suggest updating your pgAdmin to this version to resolve the problem. Regarding the encoding error, the user explains that the character causing the issue is a right-pointing double-angle quotation mark. They recommend checking where this message appears to better understand the problem. Here's the tip I promised. Always check your data for special characters before running your queries. This can save you a lot of headaches when downloading and opening CSV files. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to download your query results as a CSV without any issues. Remember, troubleshooting is part of the learning process. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper in pgAdmin 4.